What fits in the Jimmy Choo Callie evening bag? This is the Jimmy Choo Callie bag, and it's definitely more style than space. Let's see what actually fits inside. The evening bag is wide enough for a full-size wallet and quite a few things like a card holder, your phone, AirPods, and makeup, and whatever you want to put in the bag. And bear in mind, it can be worn as a shoulder bag. But if the bag is packed full, it doesn't look really nice. That's in my opinion. It's doable, but I wouldn't do it personally because there's a certain way the bag is supposed to be carried. It's the chain goes through the loop and it kind of, cinch kind of style, and it looks really good when carried that way. But as a shoulder bag, I wouldn't do that. For reasons that are obvious, like the pearls and the studs and the crystals could catch on whatever you're wearing. So I would say if you want to wear this bag, just put in a few things like your wallet, your card holder, your AirPod, lipstick, perfume, and that's it. And then you can just, put the chain into the loop and carry it like that. I think that was how it was designed to be carried. It looks really beautiful that way. So
With the
I
bag
would say
full, it
if
looks
you want to do,
overstuffed.
less item, it looks beautiful that way. On the shoulder, it's doable, but personally, I wouldn't. Deal breaker or not? Get this. Pros and cons to this bag video coming next.